Hello and welcome to another update video about CRO. CRO, is delivering. I mean, it's rallying today. Unfortunately, it also, like some other coins, only reached the 38.2 FIB level. Now, I don't cover CRO that often, but for many of the other coins, I said when a coin hits the 38.2 FIB level, this is typically already like the first sort of turnaround point. Now, unfortunately, it never reached here my support area for the wave 2, which was based on the 50% FIB level. Some coins did, and where they did it, you know, we had some really nice entries, for example, Chainlink. I think Doge did it. But for some coins, I provided entries where the structure was just clearer. For some coins, I provided entries at the 38.2 FIB. Here not. With CRO, I didn't. But then again, you know, I'm not your financial advisor, so I can only share with you the points where I believe the price is in an ideal case turning around. Here it clearly turned around at the 38.2 FIB level, and I think if it now breaks above the 8.55 cent level, then we have confirmation that we are in the third wave. So we are working here on a breakout. This is now going to get very, very interesting. Didn't really work as a pullback unless you entered at the 38.2 FIB level, but it has now moved up way too high to really consider this still to be part of the wave 2. Why is that? By the way, I'm going to take out now this green support area because it's not relevant anymore. So I will have to assume now we had here the A, B, C structure complete. The reason is that when I measure the retracement of this, it is now broken above, and very clearly above, the 78.6 retracement. Yeah? So when it does that, it's now reached the 88.7, then I can not really see this anymore as part of a downtrend. I typically have to assume the trend has shifted, and then we probably had here a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, maybe here another 1-2 setup, and we could now be in the third wave of the third wave, which this sort of pump now would confirm. Let's see, it obviously needs to follow through. Next target to take would be here the 8.55 cent level, and then we also are in a breakout and could reach in the next stage. So I'm going to give you now a target for the third wave. So we're talking here about the 12 cent level for the third wave. It needs, obviously, it now needs to break above that 8.55 cent level as well. We're just below resistance, but from what I see, I at the moment assume that we are already in the third wave. I cannot fully rule out that we are still in the wave 2. I cannot fully rule it out. The reason I cannot fully rule it out is because we came down in a corrective pattern. We're moving up currently. We only have, this could easily be an A, B or WXY pattern, and we could still turn around. That's why I typically don't like breakout trades, because this possibility exists and it could just turn around. But then again, against this last swing low of 7.8 cents, yeah, that's where we can now focus on higher, I would say. So against that level, as long as that level is holding, we can focus on higher. And if it now breaks above that last high, which I highlighted, 8.55 cents, it would be additional confirmation that the wave 2 is already over, which would now be my primary expectation. Okay, that's my update about CRO. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.